नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अनिल कुमार वंगानी, HOD डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रिपर्टरी. I welcomes you all at 1 p.m. repertory class in the month of May 2020 on digital version 2.0 JVWU platform, which is Best Women University in India. We are delivering these digital sessions on YouTube video channel at the link given below. You can note, as per schedule provided by the university having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Please listen carefully, and I hope the lecture will be able to satisfy your zest for knowledge. And if you have any doubt in your minds, please drop your queries in comment box, which we will answer in the problem solving session on the day allotted by the university. Let us now begin with the digital session, and the topic of today's session is use of diagnostics in repertory part 6. We already discussed part 2, 3, 4, 5, in which we have discussed about various diagnostic rubrics given in repertories like BBCR, Murphy, and IJAIGA. We are continuing with IJAIGA in this lecture also. So IJAIGA's dermatology rubrics given like systemic lupus erythematosus. It is possibly an autoimmune disorder. 7 remedies are mentioned for this rubric. They are as follows: arsenicum, Crotellus horridus, lachesis, lycopodium, mercurius, phosphorus, and syphilinum. Then another rubric in this section is acne vulgaris. 12 remedies are given, out of which the important ones are Graphitus, Hipparsulf, Calibrom, Natramur, Selenium, Silesia, Thuja. Another rubric in dermatology section is boils. In bracket, furuncles and carbuncles. There are different types of boils. 6 medicines are given against it, which are anthraxinum, calcareous sulf, hippar, lachesis, sulfur, and tarantula cubensis. Then another rubric in this section, that is dermatology, is eczema, for which 6 medicines are mentioned, which are arsenicum, graphitus, mercurius, rustrox, silesia, and sulfur. Another rubric which is given in this section is herpes simplex, in which there are vesicles in clusters on mouth or nose especially. So 5 medicines are given for this rubric. Herpes simplex, it's arsenic, mercurius, natramur, rustox, and sulfur. Then herpes simplex type 2, in which there is vesicles in clusters on genitals or mouth. There are 9 remedies given against this rubric, which are arsenicum, graphitus, mercurius, natramur, nitric acid, petroleum, sorianum, rustox, and sulfur. Then another type of herpes is herpes zoster, which is due to varicella zoster virus, which also causes chickenpox in mainly childhood. 4 medicines are given against this rubric, which are arsenicum, carcinosin, rustox, and sulfur. Then other rubric is ichthyosis, for which 12 medicines are mentioned, out of which important are arsenicum, graphitus, lycopodium, phosphorus, sepia, silesia, syphilinum, sulfur. Another rubric in this section is impetigo, which is a superficial vesicopustular skin infection seen mainly in children. For this, 11 medicines are mentioned, out of which the important ones are arsenicum, graphitus, hippar, mercurius, rustox, nitric acid, silicea, and sulfur. Other rubric in this section are lichen planus, which is a recurrent pruritic inflammation eruption with small angular papules that may coalesce into rough scaly patches. Actually, they are violaceous lenticular patches in case of lichen planus, which is diagnostic of it. And three medicines are given against it, which are lacasis, lycopodium, and sulfur. Another rubric in this series is pemphigus foliaceus. For that, four medicines are given, which are arsenicum, rustox, sulfur, and syphilinum. Then other rubrics are also mentioned in this Aegygas dermatology. Some of them are pemphigus vulgaris, which is an uncommon, potentially fatal skin disorder. Out for that, four medicines are given, which are arsenicum, rustox, sulfur, and syphilinum. Then another skin condition is psoriasis, which is a dry, well-circumscribed, silvery scaling papules and plaques. For that 17 medicines are mentioned, out of which the important ones are arsenicum, caliaceticum, calisulf, lyco, mercurius, petroleum, sorinum pulse, sepia, sulfur. Then another rubric is scabies, which contains itching vesicles, especially on the hands, interdigital spaces of fingers, abdomen, genitals. Nine medicines are mentioned for this disease, which are arsenicum, carbovegetabilis, carbonium sulf, causticum, calisulfuricum, soranum, selenium, sepia, and sulfur. Then for thrush, that is due to which occurs due to candidiasis, a type of fungal infection, especially in the newborns. 12 medicines are mentioned, out of which the important one are aramtriphyllum, borax, mercurius, muriatic acid, nitric acid, sulfur, and syphilinum. Then other dermatological rubric given is tinea capitis, also known as tinea favus, which is ringworm of the scalp. 15 medicines are mentioned, out of which the important ones are arsenicum, calcarea, dulca, graphitis, lyco, miserium, phosphorus, sepia, sulfur, viola, tricolor. It is viola tricolor. Then another fungal disease which is mentioned in this chapter is tinea circinate, which is having circinate means ring-shaped patches on scalp. For these 12 medicines are mentioned, out of which the important ones are antibacterial, calcarea, graphites, lyco, merc, mesarium, sorinum, rustox, sepia, and sulfur. Then another rubric in dermatology is tinea inguinalis, which is the tinea of inguinal region, that is patches between thighs. 8 medicines are mentioned, out of which the important one are graphitis, hipar, mesarium, natrabure, petroleum, soranum, pulsatilla, and rustox. Then another rubric is tinea tonsuran, that is infection of the scalp. 5 medicines are mentioned, which are arsenicum, chrysarobinic acid, graphitis, sepia, and tellurium. Then another fungal and infection is mentioned, that is tinea versicolor, which is infection with multiple, usually asymptomatic patches are there. It is multiple group of fungi which causes this. 13 medicines are mentioned against this rubric, out of which the important ones are arsenicum, calcarea, carboanimalis, calisulf, mesarium, nitric acid, soranum, sepia, and silicea. Another dermatological rubric mentioned is urticaria and angioedema, which contains contains wheals and erythema in the dermis. Two medicines are mentioned against it. They are Apis and Soranum. So these were all the clinical rubrics in the dermatological sections, especially of IJAGA repertory, which is a Japanese repertory, which contains full of clinical rubrics, which I have mentioned over here. I hope you have grasped the message which I want to share with you, that uh, nowadays clinical rubrics are so important in practice that nowadays you can see that various clinical repertories are published in the modern era. So at the end of this session, I will like to give you an assignment which contains a subjective question, which contains or which to which the marks allotted are 10 and the time allotted is 30 minutes. And the question is, you have to give example of few dermatological rubrics from IJAGA's repertory, and you have to tell how will you individualize using them. So Pitya, I hope you liked and grasped the session. I hope it has satisfied your quest for knowledge. In case you have any doubt, any query, please mention it in the comment box given here. We will resolve the query on appropriate time. Thank you for being attentive. Take care of your health. Goodbye. See you again.